Hey guys, welcome to vteachacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss about real valued function. So in our previous videos we have discussed about functions, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss about real valued function and we are going to solve few examples. So here, if x is any set and f is a function from x to r, then f is called as real valued function. And now let me explain this concept with the help of an example. So here we have f of x is equal to root of 2 minus x plus root of 1 plus x. So we know the condition, the root f of x would be defined only when f of x is greater than or equal to 0. So here let us consider the function 2 minus x greater than or equal to 0 and 1 plus x greater than or equal to 0. Now let us transfer here x to the other side. So we get here x is greater than or equal to 2. And now let us transfer 1 to the other side. We get x greater than or equal to minus 1. So here that implies minus 1 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. So here we can say that x belongs to minus 1, 2, and therefore domain of the function would be minus 1 and 2. Now let us consider another example here and find the domain of the function. Here we have the f of x is equal to 1 divided by 6x minus x square minus 5. So the denominator must not equal to 0. So let us write here 6x minus x square minus 5 not equal to 0. And now let us write this function in an order. We get minus x square plus 6x minus 5 not equal to 0. Now let us factorize this equation by multiplying the coefficient of x square and minus 5. So by multiplying minus 5 into minus 1, we get 5. And the factors of 5 are 5 into 1. And now we have to add or subtract these factors so that their sum must be equal to the coefficient of x. So here we have the number 6, and if we add here 5x plus x, we get 6x. So let us write this expression as minus x square plus 5x plus x minus 5 not equal to 0. And now let us take x as a common factor from the first two terms. We get minus x into x minus 5, and here by taking 1 as a common factor we get x minus 5 not equal to 0. So again by taking here the group x minus 5 as a common factor, we can write this as x minus 5 into 1 minus x not equal to 0. So therefore we can write this as x minus 5 not equal to 0 and 1 minus x not equal to 0. So this would come as x not equal to 5 and x not equal to 1. Therefore we can say that x not equal to 1 and 5. So the domain of the function would be all the real numbers except 1 and 5. So this was a basic introduction on real valued functions and how to find the domain of the function. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.